Hi guys, today we'll be talking about Lexus. So if you want to open this thing, you press this button and this goes up. But if you want to open the whole thing, to close it you just have to close it hard. Also, there's two buttons right here, lock and unlock, if you want to unlock or lock the whole car. So it's here. But to open this door trunk, you press that and that opens up. So some features it has, these things you open up, and you have for the jack if you need to lift the car, or screwdriver, it's right in here. But the jack itself is in the other location. Let's close this. So if you want to get to the jack, it's right on this side. It's located right in here. Close it. Just line it up. Then you have an extra compartment right here. You can put whatever you want. Nice and deep. And also you have another one right here. There's your first aid kit. You can also put more stuff in here. And also you have the 120 volts, 100 watts AC 120. If you need to plug something in while you're camping or doing something. And also I'll show you how to unfold. You have a third row seats. So what I did is I removed the cover, and to get those seats out, what you want to do is you just pull on this, and that goes up, and then you raise this up, and to move this forward, you just have to lift this up and that locks just like that. And if you want it same way, you do this one. And if you want to put it back, there's like a little knob there. You just pick it up and that goes up, down. This one right here. And to put this back, you press on this, that goes down, press on that, and the whole thing goes down. This one comes with 18-inch rim. Also, this one's came with these beefy nice tires. It looks like. Also has a step. So it has these lights when you open the car. Right in there. It's kind of hard to see because it's during the day. Has a lot of light on the ground on both sides. A nice step. So I'm gonna show you the back and how much room it has. You close the door. There's plenty of room. Even if it's the driver has like a tall driver, you still have a lot of room. If someone's shorter, there's way more room in the back. Nice and spacey. This UCV comes with 4.6 V8. Has enough power. really quiet. So it has this mechanism inside that moves. Also comes with LEDs this way. That's a nice look. So one of the hidden things you have in this SUV is when you go right in here, press this button and it's like a mirror. You can watch your kids or see what's going on in the car. It's kind of nice. Also, it has automatic mirror tint. It tints when somebody flashes bright light. To open the sunroof, this one just opens the vent in the back, just like that. You have to push it this way and it goes. So you want to just push it in, and to pull it back, you push in it, and it goes back. And you have USB plug-in and aux. You can play music through here, charge your phone. Also, you have 4x4 right here, low, high, and then that's when you drive down the hill. It helps you. It helps you to control speed when you go down the hill. And to turn on the 4 low, you just push on it, put it back. So you have one option for the steering wheel, is you can either go out, in, then down, up. So another, what you have is your seat goes back and steering wheel moves as well for the easy access. And to turn it on and off, you have to go to setup if you're another screen, then press vehicle, other, and then you can choose either partial or full. This one's off. So if you put reverse, your mirrors go down and up. But to have that on, you have to have selection either left or right all the way. When you have that and you put reverse, your mirrors go down so you can see it where you're back in. But to turn it off, you have to leave it in the middle, so it's not either here or here, right in the middle like this, and then it won't go down. So that's what the camera looks like when you back it in. Drives nice and smooth.